Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making black bean, potato, and spinach tacos. This recipe was inspired by a recipe I found on the Forks Over Knives website, and I've tweaked it a little bit, made it my own, but I will leave the link to their website into the description box. It's a great place to find whole food plant-based recipes, and it's also a great documentary if you haven't already watched it. So what we have started here is I have boiled some potatoes. I've just cubed them, about 2 cups of Yukon Golds, and to that we're going to add some onion, poblano peppers, some garlic, cumin, black beans, of course, nutritional yeast, some salt and pepper, and some lime. It's a very simple recipe, so let's get started. So I have a skillet heating up here, and I'm just going to add some water. It's nice and hot. I don't use oil in this recipe. And we're going to add an onion, chopped finely. And this is a Vidalia onion. They're in season now, so I always try to use those when they're in season. I've got a couple cloves of garlic, and I've got about 1/4 of a poblano pepper that I've chopped up. If you'd like to use more than that, you're more than welcome to. So we're just going to saute this up, adding water as we need to, and then we'll go on to the next step. So you want your onions and peppers to saute for, I don't know, about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add in our spinach, and I did spinach and kale. I'm adding in about 1 cup and 1.5 cups of each. Just let that cook down a bit, wilt down. So it only takes a minute or two. Then we're going to add in our 2 cups of cooked Yukon Gold potatoes, 1 can of black beans that I've rinsed and drained. Get that all incorporated. Be careful, you don't want to break the potatoes. Does this look good? Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. We're adding 1 cup of soy milk or whatever plant milk you want. And then you're just going to stir this around till everything's all incorporated. Final step is just a little salt and pepper to taste. And we're going to squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the top. Excuse me, I mean half a lime. That just kind of brightens up the flavor. And then we'll just let this cook for a couple minutes and let all the flavors meld together, and then we are ready to put these in a nice soft tortilla and give it a taste. Okay, so all done. And I just put these tortillas right on the stove, and I like to heat mine up that way they get a little crispy, or you could put them in the microwave or however you would like to do it. So I just gonna add a little salsa and give these a try. A little bit here. They look absolutely delicious. You could add your own hot sauce or whatever you would like. All right. Let's give these a try. Messy, but delicious. This is really, really good. So simple. The lime just kind of brightens those flavors, and I love the combo of the potatoes and the spinach and the beans. Get some good protein from the beans. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate does determine your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.